Welcome student, the second session of psychrometry. So here we will discuss about psychrometry chart. In the previous session we have defined all the important properties or rather parameters like dry bulb temperature dBT, wet bulb temperature WBT, dew point temperature dBT, specific humidity omega or W, relative humidity phi, enthalpy H, and specific volume V. So everything was represented graphically and the values were been given. These values have been used while solving the problem related to psychrometry. The values on psychrometry chart are actual measurements verified by thermodynamic consistency. All these things have been carried out under atmospheric pressure 1.013 to 5. So a simple psychrometry chart will look like this. I will show the original psychrometry chart shortly, and for explaining purpose we have drawn like this. See, this is H, that is called enthalpy, and this horizontal line, the bottom line, it is also called x-axis, where dry bulb temperature dBT is being available, and then this W or omega on the vertical side or y-axis is specific humidity, and this curve is the reading in which this curve was taken, and the curve reading is called dew point temperature, and slant lines are there, that is for WBT, that is wet bulb temperature. If the slant line touches here, it is for enthalpy. If the slant line touches here, it is for WBT, and we will understand when we show the psychrometry chart. And we have specific volume lines, another slant line which is more slant compared to WBT, and there are curves parallel to the last curve. It is denoted by phi or RS, that is called relative humidity. So we will see the chart to understand better. So this is the chart, and from this chart I can again say and explain what are all the things available in psychrometry. You can see, I'll zoom it. See, in the x-axis we have dry bulb temperature measured in degrees centigrade Celsius. In the y-axis its humidity ratio, that is W or specific humidity, the blue color. So there is also vapor pressure, it's not of importance now. So this blue color, grams of moisture per kilogram of dry air. So this 5, 10, 15 are all measured as grams. So while using in problem, it has to be converted to kilograms. So you know the relationship between gram and kilogram. And here it starts from -20, -15, -10, -505 up to 60, that is dry bulb temperature. And we have said no enthalpy. See this last slant line enthalpy, so it is getting started here from somewhere here. So we have the value -15. See this, the last slant curve where I am pointing, -15, 10, -10, -50, it goes up to some 105 value. So that is about enthalpy, which is measured in the unit kilogram per kilogram of dry air. And the curve reading, you can see the curve reading, the last curve reading, it is also starting from -15, -10, -505, and this curve reading is called wet bulb temperature when it goes beyond this, and if it is touching here, it is also called dew point temperature. It goes up to 30, on the equally spaced slant lines. So the slant lines like this, so this lines black, dark, equally spaced slant lines is for specific volume. Here you can see 0.92, 0.90, 0.88 specific volume meter cube per kg of dry air, and another slant line which is blue in color, slant and parallel, more or less parallel to that wet bulb temperature. You can see that slant line also, that is for wet bulb temperature. See, this is wet bulb temperature. So there are two slant lines, one is wet bulb temperature, other one is specific volume. So these curves, see, this is 110, 115, 120, 25, 130, 35, these curves, all these curves. So you can say this is 10%, 20%, 30%, 40%, 50%, 60, 70, 80, 90, and these curves is belonging to relative humidity. So all these are the parameters. So these are the parameters to conclude. First one dry bulb, second one humidity ratio, third one wet bulb, fourth one enthalpy, fifth one specific humidity here, and then sixth one specific volume. So there are 6 such parameters available in this chart. You need to understand this chart better to solve problem further. So this is about psychrometry chart. Thank you.